We're in Microsoft Office 365, and I'm going to show you how to assign mailbox permissions from one user to another when you're logged in as the administrator. So from our home screen, let's go ahead and click the upper left-hand corner and click on Admin. Now, if you don't see the Admin option, it means you are not the admin and cannot perform this on any user. Let's go ahead and choose under User. We'll click on Edit a User. And from here, let's go ahead and click on one of our users. And we're going to assign mailbox rights for this particular mailbox to another mailbox. So we're going to go down to where it says Mailbox Permission and click Edit. And we've got several options. We can do Read and Manage, Send As, or Send on Behalf. Let's go ahead and choose Read and Manage. And we'll just put in Bob, and then we'll choose Send As, so we can send as this user, and send on behalf of this user. There we go. So we now have full rights to this particular mailbox for the Bob account. When that's done, we click Save, and it updates the mailbox permissions. And now we can go ahead and close and close.